What up, y'all, and welcome back to the Fitmencook kitchen. Now, I am in one of my favorite places in the entire world, Morocco, here in the village of Tamraght. Now, last time I was here, I learned how to make a bomb chicken tagine, but this time I want to up the ante. So, I'm bringing in a heavyweight, my boy Khaled.
Yo, what's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum, مرحبا بكم في Tamraght. Today we have a tagine المعزي.
Tagine lemezi, that's lamb tagine. Y'all ain't know I spoke that Arabic, did y'all?
Exactly.
So here's the idea. He's gonna show me how to make it, and then I'm gonna secretly make it for some Moroccans, and we're gonna see if I can fool them into thinking like, hey, a real Moroccan made this tagine.
Exactly.
All right, man, you got me?
You got it.
All right, bro.
You're gonna...
Let's go.
Let's go, let's do it. You know what we're gonna start?
What are we gonna do first?
Onion.
Onion?
The first thing I do all of the time, the onion and
the garlic?
the garlic also. So we're gonna use all of the onion.
We're gonna use all these onions?
All of this onions.
Okay.
Because the tagine, they take only the onion and you know, like a vegetable. If we use the white onion, it's good with the tagine because it doesn't stick down. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you use that as the barrier between the meat and
yeah,
the
yeah.
the
I'm gonna give you the no, this one, the water of the glasses there, you know. Take time.
You know, this stuff is really expensive.
Yeah, I know, it's
like really expensive.
So
you just put in $100 worth of saffron.
Yeah, exactly. We have قزبور ولا بعد ناس. It's not the same one.
It's just cilantro.
This cilantro, yeah.
That's
parsley. Take only like half, something like that. Just the leaves.
Just the leaves?
Yeah. Just put it. You can use it like that. I thought like I do like Moroccan way. This is real Moroccan way, you know what I'm saying? You have a lot of information about Moroccan spices already.
Okay, let me see if I can smell and guess.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just pepper. Pepper.
No, that's pepper.
Paprika.
Sorry.
No, it's good.
I already like I forget about that.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
Cumin, yeah. Turmeric.
Yeah.
Curcuma.
This one, it's if you go to the shop spaces in Morocco, you can ask them like about spaces of kind of meat.
Yeah.
You know the name?
Yes. Oh man, it's escaping me. Hold on, I know this name. Ras Al Hanout.
Ras Al Hanout is the other one. This one
Ruweza.
Yeah. To show you now, like I'm gonna give you like cinnamon also, ginger.
Just a little bit of this.
Yeah, just you can put more because the ginger already is healthy.
Okay.
A little bit. You know the name?
Yeah, saffron.
Okay, because it's expensive. That's why you remember it.
It's very expensive. Olive oil.
Olive oil. Yeah, you can mix it with your hand. Or just switch the meats.
Oh, okay.
Switch only the meats. We have to wait. We're gonna put it in the fire like 3 minutes. Don't like stress yourself. The time you have this, you can put it like down and cut it like the same way. Now I'll show you just this one. We're gonna put all of the onion there. You know what is the next thing we have to do now?
Piece together?
That is like we're gonna put the water of saffron and the onion.
Expensive meals. You gotta love somebody in the States if you want to make this one.
Then now mix it. Already forget it about the last 30 minutes.
Oh,
now we have to switch it.
Okay.
Turn it like that.
So you don't so you don't put the meat, the seasoning all over the meat first?
That's why it's really good there, because you know if you put it in the beginning, they start sticking down. That's why the tagine, you saw it from down, it's like they stick and you know.
So now it's okay if the meat touches the...
Yeah, down.
Okay.
For couscous, for harira, for everything. The smell, also we use it in the tagine.
Okay.
They give really nice smell and everything.
Look like prunes.
You can taste it. And the resin, bro. You know my bro?
Oh, yeah.
Decoration.
Beautiful.
Nice one. I give him food. I give her food sometimes there. Look at her, she's coming.
Bro has a pet bird.
It's crazy, bird. So the last thing we do, it's like a spoon of honey.
Oh my God. You see?
The best tagine, bro, we make ever. It's like, it's heavy, but it's okay. That's why we do workout, bro.
That's right.
You have to do workout to hold the tagine.
Wow.
Tell me.
Do I just get the meat from the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just you wanna try now because in Morocco first we have to eat the sauce and the onion. Then at the end, if you finish everything, then you start with the meat. That's really bad.
That's
but
when you have to do
okay.
that.
Try. The best.
I got my workout out for me because this is really good. So I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna study it, and then tomorrow we'll see.
Yeah.
All right?
Exactly, bro.
All right, bro. Wish me luck. Okay, so I just got here. We got about, I'd say, good 2 hours before people come. So I'm not gonna leave us much time to cook the tagine. So I need about a good hour and a half. So now I'm gonna start. Onion water. The whole thing right there? Moroccan Kev.
Moroccan Kev.
Isn't it crazy how you can just put unnecessary pressure on yourself? I have one shot to do this. I leave tomorrow. You know what you're like? A mom. You're like a mom.
I wanna put you loose, you know, I wanna make you loose.
You gonna cut me loose? Thank you, bro. One of the first things is that you don't start freestyling and doing your own thing. When they teach you a certain way, just do it. Even if you're thinking, oh, I would do this to it. Yeah, do it their way first, all right? You'd be surprised, those small things actually matter in taste. One thing I did differently though, I asked him to do is that when he got the meat to salt it, just to do a little dry rub, just because last time there wasn't enough time. Oil, onion? No, oil, onion right there. This is, yeah, I'm gonna clean this first, but then I can start putting this in there.
You know who the guy they come? The guy they sell the meat.
The butcher?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you do that,
yeah. You're like someone's mom. Just don't. We put that on top of the meat, or do we?
yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you remember, bro?
Yeah. These pieces. There's a lot of fat. Is that okay too?
Yeah, it's okay.
You want that fat. It's gonna help to render. Really help to break it down.
Sheep for my father, bro.
Yes, this is the one. He showed me a picture of the sheep. You don't want to see that picture.
No, what is it?
What did you say?
I talk about this
Oh, I thought.
I
thought you were saying it's not.
And all of that. So just close it. The time you saw the water there.
We didn't put any water in here.
No, don't put no water.
We didn't put water in this one yet?
After.
Okay. We're about 15 minutes into this cook, almost 20 minutes, and ooh yeah, and it's bubbling. Yo, bro, mine smells real good, man. I'm gonna flip the meat, and also I'm gonna flip some of the onions. Lots and lots and lots of onions. When you think there shouldn't be enough onions, you put some more. And these are red onions, so this will be interesting the way that these cook. I think I got it. I mean, I'm putting my foot in this tagine. Got the prunes and the raisins on top. Now all I gotta do, cook this down. Wish me luck. It's good. I think I was gonna say mine got to be a little bit saucier.
You missed that.
What
I show you the last time. I put my tagine there. Put the spoon there.
Oh,
put just the spoon.
You didn't put the spoon in there last time.
You can
You
take a
ain't put
picture.
nobody's spoon.
I put the
I
spoon.
will go back to the video.
Yeah, you have to. No, show it like that.
Oh, okay.
Because
Talk about he showed me how to do it. That wasn't the last
just-
video.
yeah.
That wasn't there. I don't remember seeing that. We're about at the hour. I'm gonna check on it. See, there's a lot of liquid in there, and that just can't happen. We need to turn it into gravy. I say, in the way it's looking, it's probably gonna be another 30-40 minutes, really. Okay. He's having a jam session over here. He just discovered Big X, the plug, so it is breaking up. So, oh, so don't put the parsley on now? Do I put parsley now?
You have to put it before.
Right now? Oh.
No, but it's okay. That's so far.
Okay.
No.
To Christine to put this on. Okay. So that way it looks truly authentic and yeah.
السلام عليكم.
Oh, salam.
بس شو مزيان؟
Kevin?
بخير؟ شو مزيان؟
How are you?
CDA?
هنيا؟
You're good?
Oh, okay. It's good. Oh, we're eating over here? I'm learning just a little bit of Arabic.
شوية عربي كيف مشكلة؟
Just in the taxi. Safi. Baraka.
صحيح صافي.
Safi. You want to sit over here?
Yeah, you
Sit
can
over
sit.
here.
Okay.
What's your name again?
Fina.
Fina?
Yeah.
And
And-
Mohammed? Mohammed.
Mohammed. Okay, nice to meet you. Interesting.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That looks good. Yeah.
So nice, yeah.
That looks good. Wow. You need to.
Just eat. Hey, it doesn't matter. Just like.
Lamb or sheep? Lamb?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good.
نعم صح.
So,
What do you say?
that's so good.
He said it's so good?
مسحتك.
مسحتك? He says it's so good?
It's so good. You know what
So
I'm
good?
saying? Yeah, it's so
Okay.
good. You know what I'm saying?
It's
So
okay.
also the meat, it's really nice, bro.
It's
soft.
softer?
It's softer.
Softer?
المليح.
المليح.
يفولكي.
يفولكي.
Ifulki.
Nice.
Ifulki,
Yes,
nice.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
بغبير.
Bro, it's good. It's not very good. It's for professional tagine, bro.
الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah. Thanks God.
Yeah.
That's mean thanks God. Mec, إنا غير ريستيني تغكنا هذا. نتي سنين غير نكينات انت. That's what it's me make it.
You told him that you made it?
Yeah, it's me make it. I can know. نتي سنين.
توا.
ها؟
بالصحة والراحة.
بصراحة.
It's good.
يفولكي.
Ifulki.
Oh, wow.
That's good, bro.
Serious? He's
Yeah, it's serious. We can. I told you, like, if it's bad, we cannot even finish it or eat it, so we cannot start it.
طاجين ماروكان.
It's tajine.
Oh, wow.
Moroccan
Wow.
tajine. They talk, it's me, Mike.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
that's why, because they didn't ask about Mike, because the time we opened the tagine, they told me it's Moroccan way tagine.
Oh, from the very look of
So
it?
it's really look Moroccan way. This is Moroccan way. It's Amazigh way. Then the tank, the crazy tank, you do really good tagine.
The dry rub.
Your tank in the tagine, that's already good tank.
Mhm.
I practice, you know. I practice
Good,
and we share
good.
the idea. You know what I'm saying?
I showed him how to dry brine, and that's why. he
That's
said it
working
comes out more
already
tender,
with the,
so.
the next meat. It's like it's my friend. It's not only it's not just my friend. It's not like my friend. It's just I go to buy the meat there.
Yeah.
I don't know
Butcher.
them
Yeah.
a lot. We don't have like a long conversation. So that's already really good. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, bro.
You're the best, bro.
Thank you.
You thank me.
But honestly, compliments to you. That just shows that he's a good teacher, and you should come and take a cooking lesson from him because.
مرحبا بك.
Merhaba. All right. Alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله.
Oh my
الحمد
goodness. Okay.
لله
Alhamdulillah.
والشكر لله.
Wa shukri lillah.
Nice, thank you. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a bit.
And that's it.
Okay, perfect.